La donna immobile.
Oh my god! This is literally hell!
Buongiorno guys and welcome to another day in the life of a Hyundai. If you haven't smashed the subscribe button, join La Familia, baby! Smash the subscribe button. It's up La Roba every single day, baby. Come on! But if you are subscribed to La Familia, you probably remember yesterday's vlog. We're down, folks. Oh, we have touch. Guys, we found this beautiful letter in Logan's basement slash wine cellar slash creepy spot, and I left the video like this. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm gonna read the letter and it goes kind of like this. Ye who finds this letter won't be better unless ye handcuffs ye to the dwarf mamba? Do it different LP? Yo, what the heck? Logan must have put that down there. Evan, yo Evan, did you hear the letter? Did you hear what that said?
Hey, yes I did.
How do you feel about that?
I don't think that's real.
Yo, read it.
Anybody gonna just put LP though?
Dude, that's a certified letter, and I think we gotta do the challenge.
Alright, what we get?
I mean, I pulled that thing out of the drain, baby. I pulled it out, sportivamente. I went down with my bare hands.
What were you doing in the drain basement anyways?
Well, like, I was doing this cool house tour, and I was like, you know, showing people the wine cellar, and then I stumbled upon the drain. It all went downhill from there, Evan.
I guess that's reasonable. Alright, let's do it.
So if we're gonna do this, we need some handcuffs, we need Con for moral support.
Which way?
Will you support us? We're gonna start this challenge off right. We're gonna need some handcuffs, and so we got some special handcuffs.
Wait, these are like
Yeah.
sex
Ooh la
mischief.
la,
What is
baby.
that?
Hey, I don't be expecting anything with these handcuffs.
We're gonna do Oh, it's got some directions on the back. All hands on deck.
What do you need directions for? We need one more.
I always read the directions. It started innocently enough, asking her to take more control in our love life. Sometimes.
Yeah, I don't think it's the directions.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it is directions. Dude, are you ready for this? Like, once we put these on, there's no turning back. Don't lose the keys either.
Oh shit, there's actually keys.
Yo, maybe we should leave the keys on them.
No.
So we don't lose
Ari.
them. I don't know if Ari's trustworthy. Look at him. He's wearing a yellow
I
shirt.
don't know, I'm pretty trustworthy.
Dude, once we... I don't even know if this is going to fit my wrist.
Hey.
No! Evan! Once we put these on, dude, like, there's no turning back. Are you mentally prepared for this?
Yeah.
Physically prepared.
Let's do this.
Dude, you're locked in for life! Alright, put them on me. Oh! Dude!
What?
Oh my gosh, dude, I can't believe we're doing this right now.
Thanks, Logan.
It's all Logan's fault! Gosh!
Damn it!
Crap!
Cocaine? You said crack?
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
Alright, bro, I gotta take a shower. I haven't showered like all day. I'm not doing it. I'm not kidding.
Andy, why would you start challenge now then? Andy?
Some
God, let's go do this shit. Alright, so we're here, and you need a shower.
Bro, I don't.
And your pants are off.
Yeah.
What?
Just get over and done with
So
it.
awkward. Bro, but how do I get off my shirt? And then how do I put on a shirt?
You have to do it with the shirt on, bro. You have to do it.
Oh my gosh.
Leave pants on too.
What am I supposed to do?
You don't have to awkwardly stand there while you shower.
This is
Oh my
super
God.
awkward, guys.
Oh my gosh.
How does this make you feel?
This is weird. This is
Santa Maria!
I'm getting a wash. I hate that. That's not showering at all.
Oh yeah, baby. You just hop in here, man.
I feel like for the skeptics, let's just show you guys are really tied to each other right now. There's no.
Wait, we gotta turn down the heat. It's getting too hot in here, ladies and gentlemen. This is the best part right here.
Is this the best part, Evan?
This is the worst part.
This is the worst.
Get the legs, get those legs.
God!
La donna immobile.
Oh my God! This is literally hell! Get out! Let's go!
This is the finale right here, finale. Alright, get down.
Fire!
Gotta wipe it down.
Oh my God.
Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Alright, I'm gonna dry off and then we're gonna do this. Alright, we got the shower all taken care of. My t-shirt's still super wet right
You
now.
look good, Andy.
Hopefully I just air dry off sportivamente, but dude, we should go play some ping pong on the board.
I don't know how we're gonna do that, but yeah, let's go do that.
Maybe we can just go like this.
You gotta get that, Evan. You got
Yeah,
this?
that's my bad. That's a point on Andy.
Boy, Andy!
Ha! Point me.
A few moments later.
Bro, you wanna play catch?
Yeah, let's go play catch. Football! Or handcuff!
Evan, go long! I can play all day, baby. Come on. Oh, yeah.
All right, but now it's time to do some more activities, guys. So we're gonna attempt to go rollerblading right now. My rollerblades, they like lift me up like another like 5 inches because my wheels are huge. Evan's not so much.
Mine's more just like hockey.
Yes.
It's just like racing.
All right, let's put these babies up. Come on. All right, we're ready to send it. Woo! Evan, so if I fall, I think you need to fall as well, cause like I don't want to break our wrists.
Oh, don't fall.
Here we go! He's pulling me right now. This is intense. Wow, Evan, slow down.
Go, Andy! Woo! That's not.
I'm just gonna let him pull me.
I can feel pulling you. It hurts my wrist.
All right, let's go. Ow! Oh,
Yeah.
that actually does hurt.
This is fun. Downhill.
Oh!
Andy!
Ow, my wrist!
Ow, buddy!
Ow, I think my wrist is about to fall off, dude. It's so tight. Yeah, dude, it's like,
damn.
Oh, man.
Oh, you look all beat up.
I got super dirty, my butt.
You just showered too.
Now it's time to take these rollerblades off and try something sportivo. So let's work out.
Woohoo! Wow, we're handcuffed.
Yo, we gotta get that cardio in.
Stop!
Yo, this is actually a great workout. It's hard. Go, babe.
Yeah.
Faster.
Yeah, why not?
Faster.
No, not that fast.
I'm starving, Andy.
with, Prepo. He's terrible.
Yo, we got this, Evan. 1, 2, 3. Yo, we got that.
Literally impossible, Andy. You can't do it with the difference.
Yo, don't we have to pick up your car?
You have to go pick up my car.
All right, let's go. But we need to ride in style. Cinquecento. Oh crap! How are we getting this?
I'm gonna have to get in first and climb over.
Yeah, or I could come.
All right. I don't know how we're gonna do this.
Bro.
Ow! I need to get in. Ow! God, it hit my head.
Awkward.
Look how tiny. Oh, hello. Look how tiny it is.
Sportivamente.
All right.
Woo. Hey, every time, first time, baby. Sportivamente, cinquecento. Ha, 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 ha. All right, now lean up. There we go. And back at you.
Oh, back off. I'm very sick. Crazy. You would have known. Learn to stick. Handcuff to Andy.
Hey, it's actually the best way to learn how to drive a stick.
Oh, really?
Actually, don't try that out, kids.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Alright, we just need to roll like a cinquecento B-roll right now. Roll it, baby.
Oh.
Maverick House, Sportivamente. Guys, we've been in these like all day. I mean, I love you, Evan, but I think it's time to...
Yeah, I like it too, but we've been too close for too long.
Yeah, I mean, we had a lot of great memories.
Great memories, great day. Rollerblading is definitely the highlight of my day.
Yeah, no, dude, especially this one part. I got you.
Oh, we crashed. Yeah, hilarious.
Yeah, it was great. Yeah, but my wrists are like breaking.
Dude,
I don't know about yours, but dude.
We gotta get out of
It's time
this.
to go. Okay, where's the key?
I threw that, remember? I threw it away.
What do you mean you threw away the key, Evan?
Sorry.
Doing? Dude, how are we gonna get these off, bro?
We got to like cut them off. We literally got to cut them off.
Alright, let's... Dude, are you kidding me? Bro! Oh... How are we gonna do this?
I got it, okay? I got it, don't worry.
Bro.
Come closer. Yeah. You ready?
Santa Maria. Show them what the mama's made of, baby. Oh!
I got it.
Yo, but the problem is that it's still not red. No! Bro.
Alright, you ready? I got you.
Whoa, Evan, dude, if you chop off my... Oh, I'm getting married, bro. Whoa!
You're not gonna get bit.
Oh my god. Ow! Oh! Yo, I think you just broke him.
Oh, wait. It attached to it.
Woo!
Okay, now you do me.
Freedom! No, you're good, bro. You're good.
What the hell?
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Are you ready? Oh my god, you scared me, bro. Honestly, you scared me.
Yo, I'm just trying. Oh, bro, it's not coming up.
Dude, come on. Come on.
It's not coming up.
Come on. I got yours all. You get mine off. Come on,
I don't
please.
have door strength, baby. Come on.
I got it. Oh, yeah. Oh! Yo, that was literally the cleanest break of all time. That was so much cleaner than yours.
That is the vlog, guys. Sorry we couldn't do it for 24 hours. Just got a little bit, too close. I love you, Evan, but Sportivamente, you had to...
Dude, way too long. I was actually gonna kill you.
Yeah, me too. But guys, that is the vlog. If you haven't joined La Familia, baby, smash the subscribe button. Join La Familia. I got Capito. We're one of the most beautiful, spectacular, incredibile familias. Smash the subscribe button, guys. We're growing every single day. It was crazy getting handcuffed. I love each and every one of you, and I will see you domani.